Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to fix the mistake that Tynker did when programming the buttons tutorial. Oh, wrong keyboard. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, here as you can see, I have fixed the what's it called? I have fixed the animation idle for character actor in the buttons tutorial that you can it doesn't tell you how to fix it because Tynker just wants to do doesn't actually care about it. You can copy this code and it will correctly repeat the animation for idle. As you can see, it doesn't stop. Whereas if you do the other thing, if you don't do that, then it's pretty broken. Where is it? Where is it? What? Oh, huh? Oh. Whereas if you don't do that, then it's pretty broken. It just stops animating after like 1 second, or as long as the idle animation is extended to. Also, I don't sync my projects. I synchronize them manually because of a glitch inside of my Tynker account. If I try synchronizing this project, this one, it will break and Tynker will crash. I don't know why. Anyways, copy this code. Copy it to actor. Make sure you're an actor and not in blast or hover, because oh, never mind. Also do it inside. What? Okay, that is not supposed to be there. Yeah, okay. So only copy this script to actor. Pause the video if you need to. Yeah. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Fix your project if you haven't already. If you want, you can like the video and subscribe and turn on notifications, but as always, that is always optional. You don't need to do it if you don't want to. I post, if I can, weekly or monthly or yearly, or if it's very rarely, I can post daily. You would be lucky. Anyways, thank you. If you have any problems, just post it in the comments, and see you next time.